This is your 715 notes and it's over solving natural log equations. You will follow two rules on this worksheet. The first one is natural log of e to the power of x equals x can be transformed into e to the power of natural log of x is equal to x. In other words, this is the same thing when we're dealing with log. If I say log base 10 to the power of x, remember base 10 is also 10 here. So log base 10 of 10 to the power of x is only x. Or if I say log base 2 of 2 to the power of 5, the answer should only be 5. Well, it also applies on exponential. If I say 2 to the power of log base 2 of x, the answer is nothing other than x. Look at natural log or ln as log base e if that helps you. All right, on number 1, remember all the properties of log applies also on natural log. So on the first one, natural log of e to the power of negative 2t, I will use the power property of log, meaning negative 2t natural log of, I'll write cursive, natural log of e. Well, the natural log of e is nothing other than 1, so the answer is just negative 2t. This shouldn't be new for you because you did some of this yesterday. Number 2, on the other hand, is slightly new. I have e to the power of 5 ln of x. Well, I cannot simplify or cross the e and ln unless I get rid of the 5. So this is the same thing as e to the power of natural log of x to the power of 5. Note that I pushed the 5 that was standing in front of natural log in as an exponent. Now, with the e and ln standing next to each other, my answer is just x to the power of 5. Now, let's do the same thing here. This, I will go ahead and use the power property that says x plus 4y removed to the front. That will give me x plus 4y moves to the front, and I still have the natural log of e. Well, the natural log of e is 1, so this is only x plus 4y. All right. The next portion, instead of just simplifying, we will try to solve. So let's go ahead and solve the first one. I have natural log of 5 plus natural log of x equals 1. Just like in logs, I will first condense the first two natural log, and it will give me natural log. The simple fact that I have a plus here means that I'm multiplying. Natural log of 5x is equal to 1. Well, once I reach this level, I will drop the base and switch. The base of natural log is e. So I can rewrite this. You do not have to rewrite it, but I'm just rewriting it since it's the first time you're doing it. I'll write it as log base e of 5x is equal to 1. Just to show you that from here, you will go e to the power of 1 is equal to 5x and divide both sides by 5 to get e over 5 is equal to x. From there, it's just a calculator problem. I will do some things similar on number 5, but with a negative in between, it means that this natural log of 5 over x is equal to 3. Now I'll go straight to e to the power of 3 is equal to 5 over x, and if I cross multiply, I will end up with x is equal to 5 divided by e to the power of 3. I assume you still know how to put this on the calculator. In case you don't, I will show you on my calculator. So the first thing I will do, I will put e, or instead of putting e, I will start by putting a fraction. And on top, based on what I have on my problem, the top one should be 5, the bottom e to the power of 3. So I will put 5 here and e to the power of 3. And all I got to do is press enter. The final answer is 0.249. So on my paper, I will put approximately equal to 0.249. Do not put equal here because it's not exact. All right, number 6, I will condense it again to get natural log of 10x squared is equal to 10. So it means that e to the power of 10 is equal to 10x squared. Divide both sides by 10 to get e to the power of 10 over 10 is equal to x squared, where x itself is equal to plus or minus the square root of e to the power of 10 over 10. Once again, use your calculator and figure out what the answers are, because we have two answers here, one positive and one negative. All right, I'll move on to number 7. I have 2 ln of x minus 2 equals 0. First thing is move the 2 on the other side to get 2 natural log of x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 2 to get natural log of x is equal to 1. The only way for the natural log of x to be equal to 1 is if, let's drop the base and switch. It means e to the power of 1 is equal to x. E to the power of x equals 5. So I will change it into log. It means that log base e, or ln, of 5 is equal to x. And you just put this on the calculator. The next one, I'll first move the 7 to the opposite side to get 2 to the power of 2e to the power of x is equal to 11 minus 7, which is 4. So divide by 2 to get e to the power of x is equal to 2. And I will drop the base and switch to get natural log of 2 is equal to x. And that will be my answer. You can always find the approximate value, but I will stop here for now. Make sure you finish your worksheets, because on Friday I'm checking all of them, all the way till 7:15. Note that we skipped 2 of them. I believe we skipped 12 and 13, but I will check all of them on Friday, or matter of fact on Thursday.